Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a GMC Acadia. First, let's prepare for the task. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and some basic safety gear. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is engaged. Safety is paramount, so please wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential battery acid. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now, let's get to disconnecting the old battery. In a GMC Acadia, the battery is conveniently located under the passenger side floorboard. Begin by using your 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. This is a crucial safety step. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive cable. After both cables are free, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp that secures the battery in its tray. This prepares the old battery for removal. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Before placing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Carefully lower the new battery into its designated spot and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. When connecting the cables, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This order is vital for electrical safety. You're almost done. For the final steps, ensure all your battery connections are snug and secure. Give the battery a gentle wiggle to confirm it's firmly in place and won't shift during driving. Now, start your vehicle to verify that the new battery is working perfectly. Finally, please remember to take your old battery to an authorized recycling center. Proper disposal is essential for environmental protection. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.